Merchandise serve. Olivera got to it. Here's Magsumbol who tosses it over. Sabas sees the open space.
Alam mo, ang ganda ng galaw ng Senate ngayon. The first ball is always given to Lai. She hardly moves in place. Kaya na bibigay niya yung bola niya sa mga hitters na alam niyang makakatutos.
Yes. 19-13 count. Lai will punch it over. Olivera, there's a collision on their side. And they're beaten by the joust in the middle.
You know, Sabas is in front, so kung merong mga misreceived balls like this one, she's there for it. Ready siya.
Sabas serving with a 7-point lead. Better play that time into the empty corner.
Oh, ganda ng target ni Magsumbol si Sabas.
The set, Magsumbol hits and connects, makes it 21-15.
Yeah, and Magsumbol showing us na hindi lang siya pang cross-court, pwede din siya sa down the line. Look at that hit. No blocker there for her.
Cecilio. De Leon. Cecilio gets it to catch fire there at the other end.
Si Cecilio parang ang gising niya ngayon eh. Volleyball talaga ang iniisip niya eh. Diba? The adrenaline.
And Viento will come in. As well as hindi pa siya digital eh. That'll do it for the first set. And it's 4 against 6. Magsumbol shot. Dili had a hand on it. Good save that time by Candice Cerezo. Here comes Magsumbol. Whips it in, but kept very much in play by Jim and Sabas. Tubiera blasts away. Pabalinas. Magsumbol recycles and scores.
Smart move by Magsumbol. Nakuha niya eh. Nakita niya na yung mga strong hits niya. Ready ang floor defense ng Senate for her. So she went for a drop.
People to work, alam mo. Ang ano din eh, ang judiciary, tight din ang schedule.
Oh, for sure.
Can you imagine ang BFP? Isang malangayan will serve. Sabas got to it. She will strike and then deliver again in the empty middle area.
Ang bilis kasi nung bola niya eh. Kaya before the floor defenders knew it, nakapasok na yung bola, naglanding na. Ayun.
Here's Felipe and her serve. Pabalinas. Playable but out of control.
You know, si Sabas, maganda yung mga tira niya kasi she's on top of the ball eh. Pag tinamaan niya.
Sa pool eh.
Oo.
Full contact.
Yes, full contact.
Yung hinaharap mo eh. In the meantime, this serve. Senate 2 points away from taking a 2-0 lead, but Magsumbol will have nothing of it. We're tied and equalized at 23.
And you know, itong si Magsumbol, she had asthma before, pero naayos.
Pabalinas, Magsumbol. Oh, solid hit.
Si Magsumbol, one after the other, strong hits nang binibigay niya. Wala nang hulog-hulog.
Ayaw na niya. Kaya naman niya.
Yes.
Is God. In the meantime, Magsumbol serving for the set.
Nice.
Yes! Look at this. The DFA has tied it all up at one set apiece, and the possibility of an extended match definitely there. So we're at least going 4 sets here, Chiki.
Yeah, you know, DFA, yung galaw nila, very smart moves. Hindi sila puro tira lang ng tira. They want.
Tingnan mo yung mga magagaling na setter, ano? Si Kim Fajardo at saka si Gia Morado.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yan ang bola. They adjust.
Correct. You know, the thing about Coach Ralph din kasi, sabi nga, di ba, very strict pero malambing din in the end. Ano eh, pinapakita.
Cut shot. Excellent stretch that time. Back row. Hala.
Oh, good save.
Sunto ka na. Dili-dili.
Nice. Oh, good coverage.
Dili-dili. Standing spike. And And that'll do. Ira, ikaw muna before we go. Nangyayari sometimes they fall into the trap kanya-kanya rather than helping each other out, set up the play properly. Good set. Naku, too close pala. Lai. Sabas with a gentle tap. Santa Maria. Cerezo. Olavere. 7th longest rally.
Nice.
Nicely done. Sabas ends the madness.
Yeah, she saw nobody was there. Walang coverage. The blockers were by the net. So that's a big open spot for her.
Senate now with a 2-set. Let's see how this works. Felipe. Pabalinas. Magsumbol. Ay, ganda ng habol. Misdirected lang yung pick-up that time. Nice effort. Oh, nice. That's an ace. That's her second of the match.
That's a flat and clean serve from Sabas. Biglang bagsak eh.
Too close. Aquino with a effort to punch it over. Felipe. Biluan. Nice dive by Olivera.
Good reaction. Oh, goodness. Parang napako sila eh, no? Parang, akala ko kunin mo eh. Yan, yan ang nangyari. Kunin mo na. Ay, ako na. Ay.
Hindi, nakaharang. Si Felipe was... Tataas. Sayang yung serve ni Kylie because it was an ace actually. Good stretch.
Good dig. Yun yung mga, sayang yung dig yung kakampi mo.
Pero alam mo, when you haven't been playing that long sa floor, ngayon ko palang Aquino has not played a lot.
Malamig eh.
May konting lito eh. Tabla po.
Titirahin ni Tubiera.
Deceived.
Yeah.
Good set. Tangayan slaps it over. Menchi tries the second and twice in a row.
Kaya laki ng smile ni Menchi eh.
Sabi niya, ayaw niya, walang tao sa bahay. Delivery po! Delivery po! Wala akong delivery.
Nice dig.
Yep, good stretch that time by De Leon. That's loaded. That's perfectly done. Sabas now with 27.
Galing ang ginawa ni Sabas eh. Hinulugan niya muna, nakuha. So she went for a long hit that time because nasa harap pa yung yung libero.
Alis dyan!
I love Coach Louie.
Pabalinas. Drop! And... Ball is out. It's out.
Yeah.
No complaints from the Senate. DFA already in the lead. I thought she had it. 1 point game. 1 point. Fourth set. Nagising. Mainit na palo.
Nicely done there. There goes that setup. Hindi ganun kataas yung bola kasi kilala na ng...
The DFA line. That should be a good one, the DFA. The AFP against the PNP, and that's on the floor. Senate now pulling away by 3. This is already out of her 29 points. Here's Felipe. Then she's floating a lot. Did she get it? Yes, she did in the corner.
Yeah, kita yon sa zone 1. There's that attack. It was well received, but over-received. Tobiero's there for that good setup.
Pabalinas backtracking. Oh, well done by Dairo.
Kita niya, either target the setter or go for that zone in between 1 and 2. Yan yung ginawa niya.
Dairo. Dili got to it.
Oh.
Close to the net, actually. Cabrera. Cabrera. And we are done.
You know, si Sabas did a wonderful job para sa Senate.